All right, so today is April 13th. I started this project on March 14th, so 1 day short of a full month to build this model. So take a look at a few things. Body is painted, polished, decaled. All the panel lines have been darkened in. It's a lot of work in this one. Taillights look good. Front louvers don't really jump out at you because they just sort of blend right in. But yeah, those are photo etched louvers there. And I sealed them in with clear. Headlights. There's a grill back here. Little photo etch pieces here, there, and everywhere. Even little grills back there. And those are turned aluminum exhaust pipes in the back. Interior wise, it's base coat white and little carbon fiber bits here and there. Photo etch seatbelt system there that's tied to the roll bar back here. Photo etched pieces everywhere. It's a turned aluminum shifter. We got a fire bottle and some electrical boxes which are photo etched as well. Rims are just painted and decal tires. Brakes are photo etched. Rear spoiler is a resin piece, photo etched uppers, photo etched side. Front grille is also photo etched here, and it's just painted in an aluminum color. Door panels are carbon, turned aluminum, photo etched, photo etched. This one was kind of difficult. This is all bent photo etched and glued together. It was kind of difficult to glue it all together, get it all square. So you notice I have little gaps here and there, but hey, it's going to be underneath the car. All right, let's assemble this car. So first things first is the door panels, and I'm going to be using Bob Smith Industries Super Gold Plus. This is the medium stuff, not the thin. Start with this side. Put a generous amount on here because I don't want this door panel going anywhere. And it'll just pop right in place. I'll hold it for a second. And I left the whole interior white because I wanted it to really pop for this car. On the black cars, it was, dark interior and it just got lost. Everything got lost. So I figured with this one, white car, let's make a white interior. I'm gonna let this glue set up for a few minutes. With the door panels in place, go ahead and put this radiator in. It just slides right into here. Now we're going to slide the interior into the body carefully. There's some pieces on the door panels that want to be in the way. Those photo etched pieces right there. So just have to maneuver it in and be careful. Times. And it wasn't this tight. There it goes. And yep, I knew it. One of the photo etched door things came off. One stayed on. The other one came off. I can glue that in. Next step is to install the chassis pan. You hear that click? All right, so there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 that need to be installed. Now that all the screws are in, I can assemble the front suspension, which I think I messed up because I should have put this through there before I screwed that down. All right, let me take the screws out and do it again. All right, now that I got the working suspension, working steering back in there, I can put in this front piece. So first let's put some glue in here, and maybe some here, here, and here. This is a tight fit, so I'm not too worried about it. Line up my pin there. I think it's got to go from the front first. Yeah, real tight fit. And we'll let that glue set up for a few minutes. Next, we'll install the rear diffuser. And again, this is photo etched piece. Doesn't that look cool back there? I'm going to install the rims and tires next because I don't want this thing sitting on the chassis any longer. So we'll get it up on wheels. All right, so brake calipers are going to face back. They're slotted on the back. There's a pin here. Which I want to check ride height before I glue these in. Because see there's a pin on the back here, but the pin could go all the way up to here. So let's check ride height. Yeah, I want it all the way at the top. Yeah, that looks really good. Stance looks really good. And now for the moment of truth. Is it going to sit on all 4s? Yes, it's square. Off camera, I installed the 2 easy windows, the side ones, and the protective sheets are still on them. I'm going to wait until glue is nice and dry and cured before I pull those off. So next up is the front windshield. Peel it off. Keep my fingers off of it. This is the back side. And I'm going to peel back just the corner so that I can actually take the top. I'm going to peel back the corner so that I can actually get it off later on. See if it's this hard to get off while it's off the model. Imagine when it's on. So I got the edge. I'm going to pull it back a little bit. All right, so I sacrificed an old I sacrificed an old paintbrush, and I'm going to put extra thin Bob Smith Industries into my dispenser cap here. And my plan is I'm going to do one side and then the other. Alright, here we go. Get it all the way into the corner. Let's get it on the bottom first. Let this set up. And we'll do the other side. All right, I went ahead and I taped that side down, and we're gonna apply the glue as far over as we can. And we're gonna press it down. And then tape it. And let it dry for a while. Okay, with the windows done, now it's time to put in the back glass and the side panels. Install the rear wing. This is so boring, James. Just show him the finished car.
Perfect.
Still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.